The topic of today's video is how to sell on Stockx. So there's actually a screen that I want to show you that really explains everything perfectly. But in order to start the process, we need to either sign up or log in. So I'm going to sign up. And what you need to do here is fill in first name, last name, email address, and password. And then click I agree to the privacy policy. They'll send you a confirmation mail and you just confirm. Or you can be like me and just sign up with Google. Much easier. Alright, so now that we signed up, we want to go to sell. You can just click on sell. Now we need to find the product. So let's say Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s. See what I did there? No, never mind. So we're going to go with the Jordan 1 Retro High OGs here. This is the screen I'm looking for. So this explains it perfectly. So now by picking the item, we are going to have it listed. And from here, we can choose, do we want to sell to the highest bid, or do we want to have a set asking price for the item that we're going to sell at? From there, it gets shipped within 2 business days to Stockx, and then they ship it to whoever the customer is that makes the purchase, and that's only when you get paid once the purchase is made. And make sure to pay attention to the seller cancellation penalty. That is very important. This is as far as I go though, as I don't have any Jordan 1s to sell. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.